Peace. Today I'm going to go over a brief tutorial on how to use the Majestic Reading Quran app. And once you download it and open it, link in the description, you'll see a few pointers on how to navigate the menu screen. After you're done with that, this is how it's going to appear initially. And basic navigation is to go through the chapters. It's vertical scrolling up and down. If you want to go to the next chapter, you just scroll left and keep going left, and your scrolling is up and down, all the chapters there. If you go to the last chapter, you scroll right, and that's fundamental scrolling there. Yeah. Another way of navigating is the top left window pane. You open that and you've got all the chapters here. You can press any chapter and go to that chapter. And the other way is to navigate through the juz, and you can choose any juz, hizb, rubu, and you press that and you'll go over there. And one final way to navigate is through the chapter. You select a chapter and any sign in that chapter, and then you press this arrow and it will take you to that chapter. To bookmark, whenever you want to bookmark a sign you're reading, just open the pane and press the bookmark icon. It will add the bookmark, and you can add notes if you wish. And then once you're done, you can delete if you want, or keep it. It's as simple as that. So in the initial state, you'll be able to see the Arabic text and the English text, and you can set this to either English or Arabic or both. So if you open the top right 3 dots pane, display language, you can select English only, Arabic only, or English and Arabic, which is what is the original state. When you're in the screen, the interaction initially is in the audio mode. So if you want to listen to a particular sign, you just press the sign. In Arabic, press the Arabic. English, press the English. And at the bottom, you know you're in the audio mode because you have the control bar for the audio controls: play, pause, the time, and then you have these settings, the 3 dots. You press that, you'll be able to select how you want the audio to proceed in different options that you have here. Also, you can select the reader. So you can select the English reader. There are 3 different versions of the English reading and 2 Arabic readers. So that's fundamentally how the interaction works in audio mode. Now if you want to switch only to read mode, you press these 3 lines up here on the top, and a headphone will appear and the audio bar will disappear. So now this becomes read only. So if you press, it will not play the audio. So if you want to do searching, you have to be in this mode, the read mode, because when you press on the word, it will select the word, and then if you go search, it will search how many times that word is written in the Quran. There are options you can choose here how to hone your search, and there are 3 options you can choose: case sensitive, whole words, and ignore punctuation. So you can play with that and see how you want to search the Quran or do any kind of research or cross-referencing. And now all these signs are displayed here where the search finds sends. You're on the search window, search page. So you'll have chapter 3. It has 2 signs. So if you want to go to the main page, you just click on the sign that you're looking at. It will take you back to the main page, and you will have all the signs that you found in a widget down here. So you can scroll through them. You can like click any one of them, press any one of them, and you will get to that sign. And you can also go through them using these navigation arrows. So it'll take you to the next one, and the word will be highlighted where it is found in the sign. So it's quite useful if you want to go and do some research. And if once you want to get rid of the widget, just click the X, and now you're just in normal read mode in the chapter you were previously before you shut it down. Now to use the Arabic, it's similar. So you just say Musa, which is Moses in Arabic. Click on that and say search, and it'll find in the search page wherever Moses or the word Musa is mentioned in the Quran. Now these Arabics have a little different settings. So the default is ignore diacritic. So all these hyphens on the top, it ignores it. So anywhere where these letters are connected in the Quran, it will find it. So in this case, it's Mim, Waw, Sin, Ya. Anywhere these letters are found, it will make us hit. So if you want only these 1, 2, 3, 4 letters, then you say whole word, and it's 105, because some places it's O Moses, so it becomes Ya Musa, so it will not find those ones, and there might be some other reasons in there as well. So that's how this works. Yeah. And similarly with this, if you want to go through the normal text in context, so you just press the sign, it will take you to the main page. You have the same widgets down there. You can scroll through which chapter you want to go do the searching or start the things, and then you can press the arrow and go through the searches and find where this word repeats itself, and do your own cross-referencing and searching and find out what you want to discover in the Quran. Now there's another way of doing searching on the search page. If you just type it in, so if you want to search the, for example, I don't know why you would want to do that, but you can search the, or you can search anything else. Say you want to search Almighty. So Almighty is written 170 times in the Quran. So this also has a option. So if you did case sensitive, you'd find 0, because Almighty is always with a capital. So this is how you can navigate and hone into your searches. Yeah. So again, same thing. You go to the main page. You find the places by clicking on the widget, whichever sign. So whenever you click it, it will take you to that point and highlight the word in front of you. So it's quite simple and very easy to navigate your cross references. So that's basically how the search works. So other than this, you have a settings page where you have general settings. Top right 3 dots, press those and get into settings, where you can choose the Arabic font. There's one extra Arabic font you can download, which is 91 megabytes. But to do the searching, the original or the standard font, which is Uthmani Hafs, needs to be used. Otherwise, highlighting and selection of the Arabic text will not work. So I would suggest, if you want to do searching, you keep the Arabic font to the default setting. Then you have a bunch of English fonts you can choose from. You can set the size of the text independently, the Arabic or the English, depending on your convenience. And you can choose here also, from here you can choose the languages you want to display. And you have 6 themes to choose from. So, just press on the theme you want, and it will change it to that. Downloads is where you can get all the offline audio files if you want to listen offline, and also to download the other Arabic font. You can also do it from the font selection from the setting page. So you've got all these 5 different audio offline possibilities, 3 English and 2 Arabic. So if you want to download, you just press on the download icon and you select. All is not normally selected. You can deselect all of them and select which chapters you want, or just keep all and press the icon and it will start downloading it. Now it is like a gigabyte, more than a gigabyte each, and the smallest is around 800 megabytes, so you might want to be on an internet connection cable modem, not your phone, because it's going to take a lot of memory. So you don't have to, because you can stream it when you're connected to the internet. You don't have to have this. It's optional to have it downloaded. So I'm just going to set up all and download all of them here. So when it finishes, it'll have everything and the Arabic text as well. So that's downloads. And also you have a couple of other settings here. There is one feature, you can take off the search widget. So if when you're searching, you will not have the widget there. You will only go to the sign that you select from the search, and then you can just read it in context if you don't want the search widget. And also you can select save as you stream. You can select it to save any sign that you listen. You can save it as you listen to it. So over time you will capture whatever you read, and eventually you'll get all of them. And also you can export and import your bookmarks. So these are the features in the settings once you set that up, and that's fundamentally how this app works. Yeah, so enjoy using it. If you have any questions on or issues or something you want more clearly explained, let me know. Otherwise, have fun. Peace.